Meron pa, meron pa. Count your money.
Yeah, she wants that one. She wants that one.
Count your money first. And
Baka naman may mga una pang bumili ng kanya. Gusto niya yun.
Ay, gusto niya ang
Wait, 16, 17.
Hold that toy, hold that toy.
Magkano? $10?
Ano kanina?
oh, that's $10.
$10 is this.
Bakit naman?
Oh, marami ka pa din.
Gusto niya mauna dun
Oh, gusto niya? Oo.
Gusto niya mauna dun sa
Oo.
$5.
Ay, dinit. Naunahan kayo mamaya nang bumili. Dali. Select muna dinit ang what do you want here?
Toys are $5.
What do you want here?
Ang dami mo rin din toys. Magkano isa niyan?
Okay, get by.
What is, can I get the frisbee?
Yeah, $5.
Wait, is this our colored marker? Excuse me, you're selling our marker? How much is this, Mama? How much is this?
$5.
You want this?
I want the green one. I want
Okay,
the green
take it. Pay.
Ah.
Here, $5?
This one is Play-Doh.
It's
Go,
$5?
get what you want.
Play-Doh.
Is the frisbee $5?
Yeah, $5.
Here, I pay. What else?
Ha?
Magkano are? How much is this?
59?
Yeah, $5 yeah.
Oh, 20. Pwede na 20.
Who got our?
I want 20.
I got $59.
Choose there. Choose.
$5 for you. Okay.
Where's our colors?
How many now you got? No, you don't have money.
Hindi ko yung bebe. Oh, wait.
Alin?
Tutulungan sa ita.
Bakit?
Lahat ng Lego.
Bakit madami pa doon?
This? But then how much is this? Lego.
$1.
Yeah, $1.
Chocolates are $1.
How much is this? $5 again. Pay $5.
Let's see what time.
Yes, isa na marami.
How much is this? Never mind. And then this.
$5.
Five.
Do you have $5?
Oh, yes. $5. Five. Where's your money? Get money from Inay.
$5 please. $5.
$10.
Oh, $10.
What is that?
You ask them how much is that one. Which one you like?
This one. This one.
How much is this?
Walang kumuha ng tsokolate.
This $10.
Dahil pamimigay na lang ang tsokolate pag ayaw. Ay, painting. Milad, this is.
What is this supposed
Milad
to be?
car.
This is a kite.
Okay,
Hoy,
how much
how much
is
is
this?
this?
$10. $5.
Mo.
This is $5.
Daisy, nasa ang pera ni Milad?
Ay, nasa basket tita.
$10. Oh, this is the payment.
And
Hold it. It's yours. Pili pa ikaw doon. Pili sila.
here,
Bubbles.
here,
Bubbles, want here? Bubbles.
This is mine. Don't take it.
This one, $10.
Oh, play kayo ng frisbee.
Spending all of my money.
Ano ito?
Are you gonna spend all of your money? Depends.
Spend all.
Anika, choose. Anika. May tindahan.
Kite. You want to fly a kite?
Yes, I want to. I got a water bottle. Exactly why.
Don't want this?
What is this? What is this?
No, this for our painting of
How much is this?
it's $5.
And what is this?
Just
Puzzle.
choose.
You're selling these?
This I don't know this one.
Bakit yung nag-start na pagpili?
Nakuha na niya yung dilaw niya. Naku.
Yeah, these are kites. You have to buy them. I bought that one. No, this is not.
Ay, no one get this. No one get
What is this?
This is $10. 10.
No, what is this?
$5.
It's first you have to put the sticker on. What is this?
It's a water bottle. It's a gay water bottle.
How much is this? You buy it?
Yeah.
Magkano?
5.
Haka na. 10 pa ka
May
pa.
10 pa.
Prepare fun.
Then
Wala lahat ng money. Balik na. Ita, ate ang money ni Itan. Nakikita kay ate.
$10.
10, $20.
What is also useful?
This one you want. I kite. You can make a
I did a kite.
Naku, wala na. Abunado pa yata.
$10. Do you have
Wait,
$10?
teka muna.
It's a big shark kite.
Naku, kulang na yata. Are. 5,
$5.
7,
This one.
But the big
Would you
shark
like this one?
10.
What the? Oh,
$10.
Never mind. I don't. I can't.
Ay, wala nang pambili.
I have too much. I have too much. The winner because she has $20.
Mila, Dubai.
6, 7. Ay, sa makautar na tatlong piece.
Hindi na makakabili. Yung 10 na lang.
Counted na.
Ayan
Sa
na daw.
79.
O yan.
Is this?
Wala na dito sa kasindahan na ito.
I can't buy anything yet. So I'll just save these. Mama, take.
Magkano ito? How much?
$1.5.
You can buy more. Ano ka this one?
Ah, ubus na ka ng pera.
$10.
I got two.